Good morning, students. Yes, dear children, today we will learn noun number. We have already done nouns. A noun is the name of a person, place, animal, or a thing. But today we will do noun numbers. In English language, English grammar, we have two numbers, that is, we can say noun singulars or noun plurals. If we say one cat, it's a singular noun. But if we say more than one, two cats, that is plural noun. Or today we'll learn about how we'll change singular nouns to plural nouns. The number in English grammar indicates whether a noun is referring to one single person or one single thing, or to more than one person or more thing. See, one pen is there, that is singular noun. Or now two or three pens, more than one, we'll say pens. One ball, but more than one balls. Pen is singular noun and pens are plural nouns. Same way, ball is a singular noun and balls plural nouns. So, today we will learn how we can change singular nouns to plural nouns. A noun which refers to one person, animal, place or thing is said to be in the singular noun. Now look at these examples. Boy, girl, horse, chair, table and park. Single. It's singular noun. Or now, a noun which refers to more than one person, animal, place or thing is said to be in the plural number. Now see the plurals of these nouns. Boy, boys, girl, girls, horse, horses, chair, chairs, table, tables, park and parks. These are the examples of plural nouns. Now, question arises, how to form plural nouns? Now, look at these examples. There are certain rules which we have to keep in mind. And the first one is, in case of nouns ending in S, it means the last letter. That is S, SS, CH, SH or X. We add es to the singular noun. Let's learn with the help of examples. If I say bus, bus is a noun and ends with s. So while making plural, we have to add es. We will say buses. Next, glass, glasses. Next example is wish, ending with sh, wishes. See the spellings, my dear. Now the next word ending with ch, church, church. We'll write churches. Or fox, ending with letter s, foxes. But there is an exception also which we have to keep in mind. Sometimes see, ox, it's a ox ending with x, but we are not going to write oxes. The plural is oxen. Exceptions are always there, beta. You have to keep all these things in mind. Now the next rule, in case of nouns ending in o, we add es to the singular noun to make it plural. Examples are potato, ending with o, potatoes. Tomato, ending with o, tomatoes. And the next, hero, ending with o, heroes. Again, we'll go for the exceptions. And exceptions are, if the word radio, radio, or photo, photo, both these words, these nouns end with letter o, but While writing plurals, we are not going to add es. We will write radios, radios, or photos, photos, photos. Now the next one is, in case of nouns ending in f or fe, means if the last letter of the word is f or fe, we change the f or fe into ves, or we can say, if we write, see the first example, half. This noun ends with the letter f, and we have to cut f, or we will write add ves, and the answer will be, plural noun will be halves, halves. Next, calf, calves, calves. Life, now fe, again we'll cut fe or add ves, lives. Now the exceptions which we have to learn minutely, that is, if we write roof, 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 or we write chief, hoof, proof, all these words, all these nouns end with letter f, but here we are not going to add ves or cut f, we have to simply add s. Next, in case of nouns ending in consonant plus y, we change y to ies, or I mean to say, we cut the letter I and add ies. First of all, I feel everybody is very much familiar with the nouns or with consonants or vowel sounds we have done in our junior classes. There are 26 letters in English alphabet, and 5 are the vowel sounds, A, E, I, O, U, and rest are the consonant. Now look at this example, army, A-R-M-Y, army, M is consonant in red color, Y plus Y. Now we have to cut Y, or we will write like this, A-R-M-I-E-S, armies. Next example, body, bodies, duty, duties, and baby, babies. Again, we'll see whether any exception is there or not. No, not. In this case, while the word or the noun ends with consonant plus y, no exception is there. Next, we'll do, if the noun ends with the vowel sound plus y, then in case of nouns ending in vowels plus y, we simply add s to the singular nouns. Valley, V-A-L-L-E-Y. See, E, before Y, E vowel sound is there, or we'll simply add S, valleys. Next example, donkey, donkeys, toy, toys, boy, and boys. Clear? I hope all these rules are clear to you. In case the rules are not clear to you, better listen or watch this video again and again and try to learn how we can change the singular nouns to plural nouns. Rest we'll do in our next class. Till then, goodbye.